Let's knit this cute baby's hat. This is the Drops Baby 33 to 36 model. The hat is knitted from the bottom up with the lace pattern. I modified the crown and the decrease pattern. The description includes a link on how to knit the crown according to the Drops instructions. Cast on 70 plus 1 stitches with your preferred cast on method. I use long tail cast on method. Join working around. Round 1. Knit all stitches. Round 2. Purl all stitches. Round 3. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, slip 1 stitch knitwise, knit to together right. And pass slip stitch over stitches, work together, knit 3, yarn over, repeat 7 times. Round 4. Knit all stitches. Round 5. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 2, slip 1 stitch knitwise, knit to together right. And pass slip stitch over stitches, work together, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, repeat 7 times. Round 6. Knit all stitches. Round 7. Knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, slip 1 stitch knitwise, knit to together right. And pass slip stitch over stitches, work together, knit 1, yarn over, knit to repeat 7 times. Round 8. Knit all stitches. Round 9. Knit 4, yarn over, knit 2, slip 1 stitch knitwise, knit to together right. and pass slip stitch over stitches, work together, yarn over, knit 3 repeats 7 times. Round 10, knit all stitches. Work rounds 3 to 10 until piece measures 13 centimeters. Adjust after 1. Whole repetition vertically. Round 1. Knit to together right. Knit 8. Repeat 7 times. Round 2. Knit to together right. Knit 7. Repeat 7 times. Round 3. Knit to together right. Knit 6. Repeat 7 times. Round 4. Knit to together right. Knit 5. Repeat 7 times. Round 5. Knit to together right. Knit 4. Repeat 7 times. Round 6. Knit to together right. Knit 3. Repeat 7 times. Round 7. Knit to together right. Knit 2. Repeat 7 times. Round 8. Knit to together right. Knit 1. Repeat 7 times. Round 9. Knit to together right or repeat 7 times. Break the yarn and pull it through the remaining stitches, tighten tog and fasten. How to make decreases for other sizes is in the description. The hat is done. A huge thank you to everyone who supports me by buying me a coffee. Your generosity means the world and helps me keep creating. I really appreciate it.